today. We're gonna pick pumpkins and apples, and we're gonna go on mazes. It's gonna be so fun.
What do you need to wash the cap? I thought my uncle did.
Do you know what that big instrument is? What we got here? What do we got?
Hello, pretty. She's beautiful. She knows we don't got food. Hello.
I think we need some food.
There's horses over there too. You get the one with hay.
好似嗰啲啊，大哥嗰啲，嗰個 pat pat 咪錯咯。
I'm sorry, I'm like, can you go see
Watch it just fall in there. Why do people bring the block? Hey!
Where do you guys want to sit? Oh my gosh, I'm wearing tights, it's so itchy. Let's do the sunflower maze. Pretty. So fun fact, me and my family actually came here last year in the summer. It was super hot, but the weather today is beautiful. Ooh, this would be a good place to take pictures. I like it. Vivian, you want to go that way? It's 3 ways. So left, straight, or we can take a right turn. Let's go right.
Okay.
Everyone's going right. Look. This is cute. It's like an actual maze, even though you can kind of see over it. That's fine. Hey, Vivian! They're coming. Hey, shh. We gotta hide. Shh. They heard us running, Vivian. We're not gonna. You're too obvious. Shh, shh, shh. Get down, get down.
I see both of them.
I know.
I didn't know you guys are hiding. I was just watching you guys
Hi,
run away.
Tanya.
You don't see me.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Hi, Tanya.
No.
I saw your big head.
Oh, fine. My big. Excuse me. Hey guys. This is just a perfect moment to come to this farm because it's fall. It's October. It's like overcast today, but no rain. It's super chilly. It's good, right, Jim?
Yes.
Eggplant. Oh, so tiny. Why'd you pick such a tiny one? Aiden, please catch it. No.
Go ahead. Throw
You
it to me.
dropped it. The baby. Wait, someone pick it up.
Oh no. I just left it. Aiden, catch it. Ready?
I can't. I have a
Ooh,
water
cute.
bottle.
So we made it to the end of the maze. Next to the sunflower maze, you get eggplants.
A big one.
I know, then it'd be worth it if you find a big one.
Look, I found a really big one.
Where? Show me.
In here.
Okay, I'm coming. I can't see.
Ow.
Careful. I didn't know they had. Oh, is that squash?
Look how big. I'm not
Look,
gonna pick
squash
it up.
over there. Oh, yeah,
I
that is
want
a big
squash.
one.
I want squash.
Oh, that is a big eggplant. The one she was talking about, some there.
I don't know which one's good. Oh, my shoulder.
Guys, what? Come on now. We're gonna pick gala apples. Look, apples. Look, they got apples. Wait, let's see. Maybe I should get. Wait. Which one should I pick? My first apple. Wait, is this one good? Let me feel it. I don't know. I want to pick a pretty one. Which one's pretty? Oh, that red one's kind of pretty. Please, please don't let there be bugs. No bugs. Please. Okay, this one's kind of pretty. Let's pick you. My first apple. I got it. Got an apple. It is sweet. So good. Who came and broke this pumpkin in half? Oh, there's the other half of the pumpkin. Yeah, where is the pumpkins at? Oh, there's so, oh my gosh, what the? Who's throwing apples on the net? Stop it! That's where they're gonna die. Oh my gosh. Look, all those apples weighing the net down. Come on now.
Where's the corn
tractor?
baby?
When I get
It's probably close by.
Oh, it's right here.
It's right there! Corn maze. So we're not allowed to pick the corn in the maze. We just have to find the entrance and have fun.
It's tall. It's really tall. This is where the fun.
I know it is tall. It's taller than all of us.
Can't see
So
where
we
you
we won't be able to see. This will be really fun. I'm excited. Look at that, the maze. You may get lost in the maze without a map. Okay, we're in the corn maze finally. So we're doing a competition, the kids versus the adults.
we go over here.
Aiden says here.
I say
So
over
it's
here.
a split path right now.
I say I want to go here. Fine.
Go here? Okay, let's follow Aiden. Oh, it's a dead end, Aiden. It's clearly a dead end. Bye! Or mom. Bye! Aiden, don't go too far. Okay.
We're going this way.
Whoop. Sorry, look. I've always wanted to do a maze. Are you leading us, Aiden?
Alright, now we have to pick a separate path. Right or left?
Which one do you want? I think we should use right. I think this one loops the background.
Right or left? Right.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Always.
You mean the right corn?
I'm staying with mom.
She's behind us. It won't work now because we didn't start off that way, Vivian.
It's too late. I'm touching the right wall.
No, it's not gonna work. We didn't start off doing it like that.
Why?
And we don't have all day to figure it out. Should we break out the map? I don't think it'll work now.
Break out the map.
It won't work now. I know. We have to find a sign, then we'll know. You know the other sign?
Oh.
Wait, is it? Where?
Mom said she sees the sign.
No, she says she sees the road. Where? Here? Where? Where?
My mom's going just to the street.
Where? Here?
Yes.
Mom. Lost. Lost.
Uh-oh.
We should probably break up the
Get
map.
the map.
No, we have to find a sign first, then we'll break it out and know where we are.
Map.
Oh, yo, I have it.
That's a circle.
So funny. Okay, we finally found a sign, so we're trying to figure out how to get out of this maze. We've been at it for a while. We were so adamant on not using a map, but I think we're gonna have to do it.
This is a circle, right? This is a whole circle.
Okay, fine. So 10. We need to go through all this to get to 10.
Okay, listen.
All that planning.
Listen, Linda.
No, 10's hard to
I got
get
this.
to. Hold on.
10 is hard to get to.
Yeah, 10's hard to get to because look, if you think about it, the way it's made is so that it goes in order. Wait, hold on. Because look, we're
Just
coming
let
over
them do
here.
it. Are we close?
That way!
Are we close? We just saw another sign. A whole bunch of people just walked in, so we should be close.
Yeah.
Do you see the flags? American flags?
You know what I was doing, guys? I was listening to the tractors. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, that's smart.
Oh yeah, right.
Wait. We did? Oh, we did it! Babe, this is cheating! We did it!
We did it!
Yay!
Oh my
Yeah!
god!
We made it out. Wait, someone should have timed us. Vivian, do you know what time we started?
Yeah, like it's 30 minutes.
You're kidding. Really? 30 minutes? It's almost 2 right now. 30 minutes. We only went halfway and then we backtracked because it would have taken us too long. But yeah, I liked it. My first maze experience. I wasn't scared at all because it just felt really fun. Everyone, my mom was panicking though. She was like, we're never gonna get out. Pumpkins! Yay, we made it to the pumpkin patch!
That's a good background.
Huh?
It's great for pictures.
Someone smashed.
Pat pat.
I want the cute little one. I want a cute little one.
Cute little one. Every single one has its own personality. Look at that. Some are so green. Look at the pumpkin vines. Is that a white pumpkin? Pumpkins can be white? We just got done with the pumpkin patch. I have my pumpkin. Isn't it so cute? Vivian, let me see your pumpkin. Yeah, Aiden.
Oh,
so cute. All the pumpkins you can buy. Bye, Fawn.